This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, and the parking camera will display what's behind you as you back out of the driveway or into the perfect parallel parking spot. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Ancira Nissan for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are located at 10835 Interstate Highway 10 West in San Antonio. We look forward to serving you.